Welcome back to the one more useful and interesting video. In this particular video, I am going to talk about Indian Talent Olympiad, in short ITO. Indian Talent Olympiad is one of the most trusted platform that conduct Olympiad exam for millions of students throughout the year. Established in the year 2012, the organization has created a trust for itself by providing quality Olympiad exams for students from class 1st to class 10th. Indian Talent Olympiad is proud of its association with 33,000 plus schools pan India. It has a network of 1 crore plus students who are eager to attempt Olympiad exams in the subjects or fields of their choice. The organization has suitably rewarded tens of thousands of toppers for their efforts and achievements in various academics fields till date. It has awarded 7,000 plus scholarships to deserving candidates. The major Olympiad exams are International Science Olympiad, in short ISO, International Math Olympiad, in short IMO, English International Olympiad, in short EIO, General Knowledge International Olympiad, in short GKIO, International Computer Olympiad, in short ICO, International Drawing Olympiad, in short IDO, National Essay Olympiad, in short NESO, National Social Studies Olympiad, in short NSSO. Students are given a platform to showcase their ability of learning. It increases their potential, helps them to perform efficiently in their preferred subject and earn scholarship. Olympiads in India assist students to take up challenges and promote learning skills in the subjects they want to excel in. Indian Talent Olympiad is probably the only institute in India to conduct Olympiad exam in drawing and essay. The Drawing Olympiad provides students to explore their creative skills by choosing the best of strokes, colors, and imagination. It maintains a balance between right brain and left brain thinking. The Essay Olympiad allows students to use their imagination in the best possible way and come out with creative composition. It enables students to write their hearts out using their own thoughts. Appearing for Olympiad exams lends an opportunity to students to improve their performance in their academics. Students and schools can register online for Olympiad exams by clicking on the link which is given in the description area. Register Student Annual Olympiad. In this, students can register for Annual Olympiad by themselves using Indian Talent Olympiad online form. Individual registrations are open for all interested students whose schools may not be a part of this exam. Next, School Annual Olympiad registration. Schools who want their students to participate in the Annual Olympiad organization by Indian Talent Olympiad can register themselves for these exams. Class teacher, subject teacher or school coordinators can register on behalf of the school. Next, Monthly Olympiad registration. The monthly Olympiads, as the name suggests, are conducted every month. These exams are conducted in 6 subjects, namely Math Olympiad, Science Olympiad, GK Olympiad, English Olympiad, Essay Olympiad and Drawing Olympiad. You can register for this Olympiad by the official website which is given in the description area. Probably I will upload the next part of Indian Talent Olympiad in the coming future. Thank you for watching this video. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video.